video. Something in my shoe. Something in my shoe. Something in my shoe. It's off. Join us on a nature road. Please be careful.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost fell for it. I almost fell. I almost fell for it.
Be careful with that one. Be careful with that one.
I know. Don't drop. Don't drop it, girl. I know you will. My shoe.
Damn, I forgot.
Damn, I forgot. My legs are itching. They're itching so bad.
It's so peaceful.
What? Oh, don't walk fast? Yes. Whoa, look!
What?
I don't know, look, it's cool. You gonna move or?
I think there's a little frog.
No, you did not. No. You can't even see you, bro. You are literally in the sun. Guys, so we're going over there. We're across the street. I mean, across the... Oh my god. My hair touched that. Wow, she's so beautiful.
I feel like there's like ticks in my hair.
No, yeah, that's what I feel like, bro. My bangs are covered in wetness. Okay. Oh my.
Oh, I think I had a double chin in that too.
Oh, look at my legs.
Right,
Bro, it's so
compose.
pretty. Look at that tree.
Oh wow, that's a nice tree.
That's the... Should we go over here?
Let's go back to that. It's those steps.
The steps, yeah.
Yeah, that we saw. Come on.
Hold on, wait. I need to put the...
I need to secure the camera.
It's crazy. Like, look at over there. There's that... Look at that tree. Do you think we could live in the woods?
What?
Do you think... Go to the steps? Should we get our shoes wet? Like, jump a step in?
I would only take off my shoes, but I don't want you to see my toes, bro.
Bro, no one's looking at your toes. It's okay.
With your shoes.
With my shoes.
No, with your shoes.
I'll just put them in the washer. Bro, look at her. Wow, you're saying it's nice, but it's literally gracing your toes. I mean, gracing your freaking sandal. Gracing what? No way, bro. Are you serious? Are we? No, wait. Bro, wait, what is it? I don't know. It's like, can you see that? With the freaking thing. Ah, there's a bug on me!
Position myself. I feel like if I walk on here, I'll be better. Crop up my feet.
It's not that deep. Bare feet out.
Yeah, bro,
I got a glimpse.
So look, bro.
NANI?!
Okay, guys, we decided not to.
It's not barely showing your face.
Are you serious? It's too close. Yeah. Guys, hopefully you can see my freaking face and. Okay, it's not. We decided not to go to like the little creek because Erin stepped on something. Oh, guys, we made it back to civilization after being stranded for how many days?
What, 10? 10 and a half, you know?
Yeah, 10 and a half.